If I was to go back, I wouldn't do trading. I would actually hit up Zane for a job and get into sales maybe, primarily because I would try to build capital as much as I possibly can. And if I'm able to build capital, I would then start looking to use that as a vehicle to get into stuff. Now, in terms of getting education in whatever field you're in, be it e-commerce, be it sales, be it trading, whatever, information there is, you want to find someone that's actually doing it. Like, for example, if I want to learn something about e-commerce, I'm going to Luke, right? He has built, companies that surround that. If I want to learn something about watches or, the car business, I'll go to Neel. Same thing on learning how to run a real business, something in the solar, something in sales, I'll go to Zane. So it's like, look at people that have done it, that have results. And if they have done it, they have results and proof to back it up. Go and learn from those people. Pay whatever they're asking for and learn from them. Don't go and learn from the guy that has a Lambo or a Ferrari or a cool car or whatever the case is. Look at people that actually have something to back it up.